What's up, you guys? Today is a great day. We are up on the Norwegian cruise line call. If you watched my last video, I told you guys that right now was a perfect time to be buying. So I'm gonna go over today 5 stocks that I think are a really good potential for 2022. What stocks I'm gonna be looking at, what stocks to buy in. So currently we are up. Let me see. Let me get it on my phone really quick here. Let me sit down. Okay, so we are up for the month so far. Let's go to the portfolio on Robinhood. We are up for the month as of right now. If you can see that, I don't know if you can see it through this camera, but we are up $27,000 on this call. I'm going to be holding this call until we hit that $30 mark, which it's very, very likely that we're going to be seeing it in maybe a couple months. I'm not too worried about it. This option expires on 2022 at the end of, actually 2023 expires, right? Yeah, it expires 2023 of next year of January. So all it has to do is hit that $30 mark and we get that spread filled. So let's talk about 5 stocks I think are currently undervalued that you should be looking for in the next year. All I ask, if you could just hit that subscribe button below and like this video if you can. All this information is always free and it will really help out this channel, and I would really appreciate it. So let's go on the laptop really quick here. Alright, so before I make this video, the market's about to open. It's going to be 9:30 in about 1 minute, and this is going to probably jump really big. So it's about to hit it very soon. I want to see how much actually jumps up. Just being curious. Just being curious. I think this is gonna probably hit around that $75,000 mark. Ooh, let me see. We are up. Oh, it's going down pre-market. Oh no, it's going. It go down. Let's see. Oh no, it's going back up. Okay. So, boom! You see that? 71. Up 7, almost 8,000, and off the opening. That's so funny. Wow. And then, so if you want to get these plays, guys, just follow me on IG. I'll probably post them all on my story. That way you can be stay, you know, and get into the plays as soon as possible. Sometimes I'm a little late on the YouTube videos. So hit that, and I'll also try to leave them on the pinned comments below. If you want any stocks you want me to talk about, leave them in the comments down below as well. So let's go on and let's talk about the 5 stocks I recommend you to buy. First stock I'm going to be talking about is Rocket. Rocket is probably the most undervalued stock. It's probably the one I would be adding the most positions on. It's really cheap at the moment. I mean, this stock should be trading at easily $40 to $60 at the moment, and it's trading at $14. It's crazy to see this. Like, this company is growing so much, and they're a fintech company. If you're not if you're new to hearing about Rocket, you probably heard of them. They even have, like, they have an app. They make so much money every quarter, and it's really crazy to see that they're still this low. This is one of the stocks that once it starts trending, it's gonna keep trending. It just has to wake up, basically. So I mean, it's a time thing. Not a lot of people are on this stock at the moment because people like to buy stocks that are already like trending upwards, and then when they buy it, it starts to going down. But this is a stock that's really cheap. At $14, I see buying prices here anything pretty much below $14.75. We could probably, I think we're going to be hitting around that $12 mark. That's like the sweet spot to be buying Rocket. During pretty much, I think during COVID, that Reddit army Wall Street bets. They made it jump all the way to $43. I had a large position in this, and I kept holding because I thought we were probably gonna hit $80 to $100. I know this is a really good company, so I was holding on long term. A lot of hedge funds and basically institutions are shorting this, so it's a really good buy. And I think the sweet spot to be buying and adding positions is anything under pretty much $15 to the $12 range is a great buy to be buying Rocket. The next one we're going to be talking about is Kosair. Kosair is another one that it's pretty much one of the best opportunities to be buying at the moment. On the fib chart, you can see here that I personally think that we might not even hit this bottom here, but this is my buying zone. Well, I think it's a great opportunity to be buying. So I made this chart already previously to this video. Anything at almost at $20 range and below, we probably might not see it, but I would be adding positions here on Kosair. Kosair is a very good company. They've been growing a lot. They've actually had some issues recently with the supply chain issues. I mean, I sell on Amazon, so I understand exactly what they mean by that. If you're interested maybe in selling on Amazon, also leave me a comment down below. I'll actually teach you guys exactly how to start selling on Amazon. That's my main source of income. And then doing stocks, I do it on the side to make extra money. So Kosair is a great opportunity. Anything around this range is a great opportunity. I do think this stock, all these stocks I'm talking about, are going to be possibly maybe 4 or 5 times worth. I mean, Kosair is probably going to be trading in a couple of years, of course, probably 150. So you be trading and investing and growing your portfolio big time. So next one we have is Zillow. Zillow is another one that got crushed because they were flipping houses, and basically their algorithm didn't really process it really well, so they were losing a lot of money trying to flip homes with their app. So they reported really bad earnings as well, so it just dropped really hard. This stock was trading at $208. It dropped really hard. Now it's trading at $60. I was really hoping that we would see that $40 range, because I would be adding a ton of positions here. Like, this is a really good stock. It's really oversold. You can see the RSI showing that it's oversold, but I would rather see it be a little bit more oversold to be adding a lot more positions. And if it was really oversold, I'd be probably buying options 1 year out. But Zillow is a great opportunity. So my price point to be buying and loading up positions on Zillow would probably be, it's going to be tough, because I think around the $50 range all the way to the $40 range is a good place to be adding positions if it hits there. I'm not sure if it's going to hit there, but maybe if they have another bad earnings 2022, we might see that drop. I'm not sure, but Zillow is a great stock to keep an eye on, to see that price point and to be adding positions if we hit that price level. The next one we're going to be talking about is Uber. Uber is one of these stocks that I think in the future Uber is going to be huge. Eventually, I personally think that we are going to be seeing robotic deliveries, and pretty much everything being software, where we can have food delivered to our homes by Uber, but instead of a person delivering it, it's going to be automated by maybe Tesla partnering with Uber or something like that. And I do think that's the future. It's just going to take a couple of years, but I think Uber will probably be one of the ones to get on it really quickly, especially with you know, taking an Uber as well. So I do think this stock long term is going to blow up. Anything here below this $44 mark, I would say around that $30 mark currently, but I do think we're gonna be seeing the stock at least hit $60 next year. This fib chart is here. I really spaced it out because it's really hard to see what's the bottom, but I do think Uber is gonna be hitting these price levels even above $100 in a couple of months, maybe a year or two. We're gonna see Uber up there. Another one that I'm not too sure of, but I do think it might be a great opportunity to be buying at a low price level, is Rivion. Rivion is, I don't know where's the bottom, to be honest, but since they are backed up by Amazon, I do think that Rivion is going to be a very good company to own long term. I'm not saying it's going to pop really soon. I don't know what's this is more risk. Out of all the stocks I'm talking about, this is probably the riskiest stock to be buying. I would only be buying Rivion at a really cheap value, maybe under $50. They're still in production. They don't have any sales as much as, you know, Tesla and everything like that. It's a very risky stock, but I can guarantee you it's not like Nikola, where they were just pretty much doing like a pyramid scheme. Nikola is terrible. At least Rivion is pretty much backed up by Amazon, Ford, and they're growing. They're trying to get things done. Hopefully this video helps you out, guys. Make sure to hit that like button below and subscribe if you can. Follow me on IG as well. I'll be posting all my plays, my option plays, stock plays as well, so you can keep in touch and stay on top. And hopefully you guys like this video. If there's any stocks you guys want me to talk about as well, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll get to them, and I'll probably make a video on that too. So hopefully this video helps you out, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.